Right, here we go. Up the stairs to the airing cupboard. We're going to install, it's a Bush condenser tumble dryer. Instead of having our washing out on the line, soaking wet, not being able to get it dried, we've decided to buy a condenser dryer, which will save us a lot of problems. Our kitchen's not big enough to fit the dryer in to the kitchen, so we're having to put it in the airing cupboard, which is quite heavy, quite performance, but it's going to be well worth it in the end. We've got electricity in the airing cupboard. It's a Bush condenser, brilliant, got the handles, the lights, all the filters, doesn't make a noise. The only thing was we had to put another shelf in for it to stand on. But believe it or not, it's been absolutely brilliant.
What is this in the goodies? In the goodie bag? Woohoo!
Try and put something under there so it doesn't scrape when I lift it.
Lift it.
Yeah, hang on.
Mind it, lift it up from the bottom. That's it. Hang on. The wires all caught up somehow. Can you put it over the top? No, I've got it. Right, just straight down. Just down. No, just bring it towards me. Down. Oh, well, I won't be able to pick it up. Where am I going to film it with this?
Right, so we finally got the condenser dryer inside. It's the Bush condenser dryer. It was quite heavy for the two of us to get it out. There's some stickers on the front, and you see you got your main door to open there. You've also got a drawer here, catches like any condensation and needs to be emptied because it fills up with water now and again. That just slides in and out. So these are the old slats that all need to be ripped out. I've got to cut new ones to go in there. Yeah.
Oh, this. You got a nail in there.
Yeah, and that's not working. Nope, still not working.
Plugged in the kitchen, isn't it?
Can you just go and check? I'm sure I did.
Don't film me!
Just that pencil.
Oh, don't film me! No! Film you!
Both sides the same, are they?
Yeah.
There's nothing in the way of one side now.
Just mark them both with an S so you know they're separate. Just hold that on there for us. No? Okay.
Bit the edge, yeah? Yeah? Cut them all to that smaller one. Ouch, you see the second one? You see the second one, it's got a split in it. Oh, can you turn it round the other way?
The one split.
Which end is the... Yeah, no, can you do that end? Yeah, that's it.
Use this one. Use this one, it's thinner. You got much of your own ones. Go on then.
So we've had to make a few adjustments because at the back of the cupboard there's some pipes that go to the shower and the taps, and we're just screwing in the panels on the side.
You got another screw? Yeah, another one.
The other panels we cut will sit on these side beams what attached to the wall, and they'll be taking the main weight load.
Out. Because you're not going to get in with the drill, are you?
Oh, right, okay, you
You
mark
might
them.
do, go on.
No, take them off and mark them. So we're drilling pilot holes in each of the panels just to make sure it doesn't split the wood when we do the screws.
You have to lay them in first, see which ones don't fit.
The bottom of the shelf, you can see there's pipework running round. We've decided to add some extra beams like we did at the top, but the wall comes in slightly on this side, so we've got to try and figure out which bit of plank of wood come where on the sizes.
One of the others. What's this one? See this one nearest the next there, that one. That's a bit short. We'll try that at the back.
No.
Just needs a bit more for that one. For some reason. That's it. Yeah, just that back one needs a little bit off, I suppose. Yeah. A little bit more for that one. How far apart do they need to be? That bit there. About one at the back, yeah.
More or less. And bring that one further forward.
Yeah. Somewhere.